Hey guys, Terry at BMS here. Been hard at work on our new B58 Gen 3. It's got digital map sensors, which make the JB4 tuning really fun and easy. Lots of cool stuff coming out for this. We'll be doing some dyno videos on it soon. Some piece of shit, I don't know how that got there. And of course you guys have seen our new Supra. B58 Gen 2. We've got our new fuel pressure connection, the new JB4 Platform 158 firmware, and some other cool stuff I'm going to be posting about for this soon. But what I wanted to talk to you today is our CANFuel system and give you some updates on it. So this is the existing CANFuel system. We've got about 5 of these out, working great. We've got half-mile runs, dyno runs, all sorts of stuff. The plan was to put them into aluminum closures like we usually do with the JB4. But it was a little limiting on the size and what we wanted to add to the board. So we came up with a new idea. We found these great off-the-shelf cast aluminum enclosures. These are a Molex system, 48 pins, weatherproof, really high quality setup. And with this, we're able to add a lot more I/O. So when we put this full spec sheet up for what we're planning on adding, this is more or less all of it. There's a couple items missing because I don't know if they're going to work yet, so I want to wait and find out before we add them. But you'll notice like the 8 analog inputs, no one offers that level of input. You know, you can run that low fuel pressure, exhaust back pressure on each cylinder if you want. You know, you can do so much with that. Tons of extra, you know, analog outputs that we can use for things that no one else offers. And of course, on the high current outputs, we have left those high side, which makes the wiring a lot easier. You can ground your solenoid, ground out your relay. You don't have to run 2 wires to it. So really cool setup. We should have these up and running probably a couple of weeks. We'll get them on our cars, get them on the dyno, get some more videos, and then go from there.